staffingpreneur, if you are not acquiring the clients, the employers, the hiring managers, the facilities, the hospitals, the warehouses, if you're not acquiring the clients that you truly need, today I want to ask you a question. What does your sales strategy look like? I'm serious. Like, most of the time, I get clients who tell me, D, I'm doing the things that I'm supposed to be doing every day to acquire clients, but I need a little bit more. I need a cushion. I don't feel like that's enough. And then I ask, what's your sales strategy? And they say, sales strategy? I don't have a sales strategy. And I say, that's something you should have done in the setup of your business before you even launched. But neither here nor there. I want to invite you to a course that I have coming up where we're going to go in and strengthen your sales strategy. I know that you want to acquire the best clients, and we want to help you do the same.